A federal judge in Greensboro said she'll decide in a few days when or if North Carolina's new abortion ban takes effect July 1st. Thank you for joining us. I'm Gerald Owens.
And I'm Deborah Morgan. Today's hearing on the new North Carolina ban on most abortions after 12 weeks comes just 3 days before the law is set to go into effect. That judge says she will rule on the case before then. WRAL's Matt Tallholm explains why the legislature threw another wrench into the timing of all of this.
Judge Catherine Eagles heard from attorneys on both sides of the abortion issue for about 2.5 hours here inside federal court. At the end, she handed them a draft order that could temporarily block parts of that abortion law from going into effect Saturday. North Carolina's abortion debate moves from the state legislature in Raleigh to a federal courtroom in Greensboro. Attorneys for Planned Parenthood and a Duke Health OB/GYN want a judge here to stop the state's new abortion law from taking effect.
There are just clear unconstitutional provisions. The law is vague. It's internally inconsistent.
They filed this lawsuit challenging the restrictions, which ban most abortions after 12 weeks instead of 20 as it is today. Republican lawmakers used their supermajority to override Governor Roy Cooper's veto of the new law in May. Then, a day before this court hearing, the legislature approved changes to the law that resolve some but not all of the concerns from abortion providers.
Unfortunately, we're still left with quite a bit of mess to clean up here, and we're left with some uncertainty.
It also complicates the timing. The governor hasn't signed or vetoed the changes, and that may not happen before the abortion law goes into effect as is Saturday.
And so there could be a couple of days where the amendments haven't fixed the very confusing and contradictory and problematic parts of the law that we just identified in the hearing.
An attorney representing Republican lawmakers argued against a temporary block, pointing to the amended bill as fixing the issues with the new abortion law. He told the judge, quote, "These are problems with the very simple solution. One signature, meaning from the governor." For now, the clock is ticking for Judge Eagles to step in. In court, she said, quote, "It's my goal to get the case fully and as quickly resolved as possible." But she also made clear, quote, "I have not made up my mind about anything." Judge Eagles says she will not wait till the 11th hour to make a decision in this. She says any order would come during the day, Friday, before those new restrictions go into effect Saturday. Matt Tallholm, WRAL News, Greensboro.
Now, it's unclear what parts of the law the judge is thinking about putting on hold. She only shared that draft order with attorneys. WRAL reached out to the governor's office to see when he plans to make a decision on the amended abortion bill. We have not yet heard back.